So this is our exercise 7. Create a login form of two inputs, username, password. Show a message login succeeded if the user enters U, password as P. This is what we actually want to build. Let me show you. So this is our requirement that if we enter any username and password, if they are not respectively U and H, P invalid credentials, this should be shown. But if username is U and password is P, then it should say login succeeded. To implement this project, what we have done is we have first of all created a models folder, and inside it there is a model. This model, let me explain you step by step what it exactly is. We have called this model class as login info, and there is a property username. For the username field, default value is set as empty. It is a required property and maximum length is 10. This was not required, but it is a good practice to put annotations to your properties. And the second property is password. This property data type is password is mentioned here. Take note of this one. This will ensure that ASP.NET Core automatically sets the type of your input to type is equal to password. This is also a required property. And then there is a property called message. This message will contain the message like login succeeded or invalid login ID and password. We have set an attribute called not mapped. This